Imagine this. You're sitting at a dinner table, but it's not your usual dinner. Your classmates are there, your teacher is there, and your parents are there. Except, those aren't actually your parents. They're actors, professional actors, pretending to be your family for the night. Weird? Wild? Impossible? Believe it or not, in Japan, this actually happens. Welcome to Believe It or Not, the show where weird is real and the truth is stranger than fiction. I'm your host, Bryan, and today's story is about Japan's extraordinary, emotional, and sometimes unbelievable world of rent-a-families. Yes, families you can hire. Parents, cousins, uncles, daughters, even an entire wedding audience. Let's jump in. Our story begins in Japan. Busy cities, tiny apartments, and neon lights everywhere. Life is fast, school is competitive, and people often work long hours. And in the middle of all this, a company called Family Romance, one of the biggest rent-a-family businesses in the world. Now, what do they do exactly? Well, imagine you need someone to come to a school event because your parents can't be there. Or you feel lonely and want a pretend sibling to hang out with. Or your boss expects you to be married, but you're not, and you need someone to act as your partner for one afternoon. Japanese family rental companies send trained actors to play those roles. Yep, you heard that right. Actors playing your family. But here's where it gets even stranger. One actor might play 30 different dads. Another might be a husband in the morning, a big brother at lunch, and an office best friend by dinner. They memorize the backstories, personalities, and even pretend memories, so the role can feel real. And for many clients, it's not about tricking anyone. It's about feeling supported, just for a little while. Before you judge too quickly, let me tell you about one real case. A girl named Yui was being bullied at school because her father never came to events. He worked late every night. She felt embarrassed and alone, so her mom hired a rent-a-dad. This actor studied how to sit, talk, and behave like a caring father. He attended her school festival. He clapped during her performance. He even posed in photos with her friends. And guess what? The bullying stopped. She felt seen. Her confidence grew. When the actor was asked how he felt, he said something surprising. Sometimes the families need me, but sometimes I need them too. And that's when you start to see what makes this whole world so complicated. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it helpful? Is it strange? Maybe it's a little of everything. One thing's for sure, family rental companies can bring comfort, confidence, and connection. But they also raise big questions. Is it okay to hire love? Is it healthy to pretend? And what happens when the actor goes home and the role ends? One thing is for sure, it's one of the most unusual businesses you'll ever hear about. Believe it or not, renting a family is more common than you'd think. This story teaches us something powerful. People everywhere, no matter what country they live in, want to feel supported, connected, and understood. Sometimes life gets complicated, and people look for help in unexpected ways. So here's something to think about. If you could rent a helper for one day, not a family member, but any role, what would you choose? A study buddy? A A sports coach? A personal cheerleader who yells, "You can do it!" every time you try something new. What would help you feel more confident? Today, we learned about Japan's surprising world of rent-a-family companies, where actors become parents, siblings, spouses, or friends. Whether you think it's sweet, strange, helpful, or confusing, it definitely proves one thing. Sometimes the truth really is weirder than fiction. But before we go, here's a joke for you. What's the biggest pan in the world? Japan. Next time on Believe It or Not, get ready because we're exploring something slimy, red, and totally unbelievable. It's hippo sweat, the sunscreen-colored goo that hippos ooze from their bodies. Gross, right? But also awesome. Until then, keep wondering, keep learning, and remember, sometimes the truth is weirder than fiction.